Admit. Meaning. Admit means to allow entry or to confess to something, especially acknowledging something that might be difficult to accept. Definition. Admit is a verb that refers to permitting someone to enter a place or acknowledging the truth of something, especially when reluctant. Examples in sentences. 1. The security guard refused to admit anyone without a ticket. Here, admit means to allow someone entry after confirming their eligibility. 2. Ravi admitted that he had made an error in the report. In this sentence, admit refers to confessing or accepting responsibility for a mistake. Usage. Admit is used when talking about allowing entry or acknowledging facts, usually involving acceptance or recognition of a situation or truth.
English practice.